In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. On this vehicle, the air box is located on the passenger side, right behind the headlight. Using a T25 socket, take these screws out. You can just pull the screws to the point where they're at the top of the air box. You don't have to take them out completely. And those lower screws, loosen those up. Now grab the air box, slide it up, and underneath you can just grab the air filter and it slides right out. Now take the new filter, line it up. You want to line it up with the fins going down and the gasket at the top. Slide it in. And then line the box up and you can get all the screws started. Once all the screws are started, then you can tighten them down. And just snug them down, not too tight. And when they're all snugged down, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.